Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. We are at Perry Fairgrounds here in Perry, Georgia. Here at FRVA, what used to be former FMCA. Let's go in here and check them out, go through them, show you what they got. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe at the bottom. Here we have a London Aire by Newmar. It does have the steerable tag axle as well. Gorgeous paint job. London Aire is a step down from the King Aire. Again, it has neutral seating, has gray cabinetry. A little bit more traditional cabinetry in this one than the King Aire, obviously because it's cheaper. They do have a price on this one. You can see they have 2 sheets of options on this one. Still an absolute stunning coach. Midship half bath, again the half door, which again I'm not fond of. King bed, offset TV, so you got a corner view. Nice bath, dual vessel sink, absolutely stunning. Nice closet, stackable washer dryer. Let's see what brand we got. This one we have Splendid. A little bit different shower, but still very elegant. All tile flooring, no carpet. Again, you have the more traditional cabinetry above the sofas and stuff, so therefore you don't have the big view like you have on the other one. But still great RV.